how to enable or disable suggest message reminders in Google Messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. So tap on text messages. Up here, tap on the profile icon. Then we scroll down and tap on messages settings. From here, scroll down. Then tap on suggestions and actions. And scroll down and tap on nudges. From here, tap on suggest message reminders. Tap on the toggle to turn off or switch on suggest message reminders for Google Messages. Finally, tap on the back key to go back to your conversation list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.